Now, part of New York's new gun law involves mental health. Doctors must report patients they believe to be a threat to others, and those patients may lose weapons they now legally own. As Pat Bailey reports, doctors are working with those who developed the law to better understand its complexity.
So, in your opinion, and your best medical opinion, does this law, what's being proposed and now passed, make sense?
I think it really does depend on how it's being implemented and how it's going to be interpreted.
Dr. James Kelleher says he has read up on New York's newest gun law since the day it passed.
And while the intention is very good, there's a concern that that may inhibit people from seeking treatment.
The law states anyone with a mental illness may not be able to possess a gun. It goes one step further to say if you do own one, it may be taken away if your doctors think you could use it to harm someone. Dr. Kelleher thinks that may cause someone with a mental illness to choose between their weapon and treatment.
If they reach a point where they need inpatient treatment for thinking about hurting themselves or others, they may be afraid that they're going to lose their weapon and get in trouble with the law.
There's also a pressure on doctors under the new law. They must report patients who they believe to be a threat to themselves or others.
Well, I think that there's going to have to be respect paid for the confidentiality issues. I think there's going to have to be an understanding of what would motivate people to seek treatment when they need it, because obviously that's going to benefit every individual patient. It's going to benefit our communities as well.
Dr. Kelleher says despite all the questions, he is encouraged by the fact that he and his colleagues will still have about 2 months to understand the law before it takes effect. In Saratoga County, Pat Bailey, CBS 6 News.